Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Red Fox Ride. I'm here on the R71, Heanertsburg to Polokwane. Really a beautiful road so far. And enjoy it with me. Let's hit the road, the R71. Oh, it's a beautiful road, no potholes. Some beautiful mountains here on the front. And looks like rain in the front. So I must push a little bit. Nice corners on this road. Oh man, I love it. It's quite a nice place to ride. Beautiful road. So far the day is good. There's some promising of rain. But I'm ready for that. The temperatures have changed a lot. It's become a lot warmer up here because we are in Limpopo province. It's a big change from the Free State up to here. And here a few drops of rain already started now. Oh, look this mountain. Must be just careful on this road. There's a lot of cattle around here because there's no fences. What light poles is this on the side of the road? It's not a town. Oh, okay. That is that ZCC church. You don't want to be here on the Easter weekend because I heard they said there's about between 4 and 6 million people coming to this church here. Looks like I'll just skip the rain. Can see the road is wet here. That church is here on my left hand side. I just wipe the camera lens a little bit. I'm not very far from Polokwane now. I think I'm gonna end this video now. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe below. Then I see you guys in the next video.